Hey, yo, what's up, soccer lovers? It's great to be joined by you on this next episode of Soccer Transfers. Well, today we are going to be diving deep on PSL transfer news, the latest rumors from Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, and all PSL teams. The January 2024 mid-season transfer window closed on January 26. The next window may only be open in July 2024, but clubs are already working away on their transfer targets for this season. Well, to begin with, it's Paisero, who is ultimately linked to Kaizer Chiefs. In their bid to end their trophy drought, Kaizer Chiefs are set to open talks with the Portuguese tactician Jose Paisero. And then next, it's Spurs, who are willing to go after Matseke. Premier Soccer League side Cape Town Spurs are now keen on signing Darrell Matseke, who was recently released by Stellenbosch. Spurs are also in the relegation zone, and they believe that Matseke might help them keep their status in South Africa's top flight football. Next, it's the Stellies, who are to let go of ex-Chiefs midfielder. Former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder Darren Matseke's future is uncertain at Stellenbosch after an alleged alteration with coach Steve Barker. Although Darrell Matseke joined Stellies just 6 months ago, there is already uncertainty regarding his future with the Wendlands club. Developing news by Far Post is that Matseke was in an altercation with coach Steve Barker, where he reportedly accused him of favoritism towards certain players within the club. It remains to be seen whether Matseke will be released or not, as there is no official statement from the club yet. Next, it's Mngqithi, who remains at Sundowns. Mamelodi assistant coach Manqoba Mnqithi staying put at Chlorocop after a source told Soccer that Downs have tabled a 3-year deal for the Kaizer Chiefs target. Mngqithi is understood to be one of Amakos's prime targets, as the club are in the market for a permanent coach. Kevin Johnson, on the other side, is currently taking care of the team on an interim basis, and with the new development surrounding Mngqithi, Chiefs will have to look elsewhere. Paisero applies for the Chiefs job. Well, it may be looking like this is a Paisero episode, but Jose Paisero, who recently parted ways with Nigerian, is interested in coaching Kaizer Chiefs. According to Soccer, the Soweto Giants have received the Portuguese trainer's CV after he guided Nigeria to the 2023 AFCON final. We well hope that he will do great for them. Cape Town City has loaned out Bryce Ambina and Nathan Ndumba Fasika to Norwegian club Valereja. The duo underwent a 2-week assessment period with the 5-time league champions during pre-season and impressed enough for the club to pursue a move. Both deals include options for permanent transfer by the end of December 2024, as they aim for an intermediate release to the Elista Sterling. Stellies, the Arcel's Gult's son. Maxim Gullit, the son of Dutch football legend Ruud Gullit, is undergoing trials at Stellenbosch FC. According to Soccer, other PSL clubs are also keen to watch Maxim, who has been clubless since July 2023 after leaving Eerste Divisie club SC Cambuur. Pirates decide Ofori's future. Orlando Pirates are set to trigger the 1-year extension option on goalkeeper Richard Ofori's contract, as reported by TheSoccer. The Ghana international goalkeeper's current deal expires at the end of June, and Buccaneers have decided to exercise the option for him to stay a further season. Chiefs rekindle interest in Brazilian coach. Kaizer Chiefs have revived interest in Brazilian coach Alexandre Galo after initially targeting him to replace Arthur Zwane. According to Soccer, the Soweto Giants have shortlisted Galo to take over from interim coach Kelvin Johnson. Amazulu are interested in Jali again. Amazulu have set free agent Andile Jali as a transfer target after the midfielder parted ways with Morocco Swallows. Usuthu were keen on signing the 33-year-old when he left Mamelodi Sundowns last season, and according to Soccer, they have revived their interest. Kabuza and Galaxy separate. The former Orlando Pirates and SuperSport striker has requested his clearance from the club. According to a report by SABC Sport, Kabuza is featured very lately under Sid Ramovic and has now decided to call it quits. Poland and Norway possible moves for Manqoba. According to Soccer crew, Orlando Pirates striker evidence Manqoba has drawn the attention of clubs in Poland and Norway who have expressed interest in acquiring his services. Although the identities of the clubs remain undisclosed, it is known that they are eager to secure the services of the Bafana forward, especially considering their transfer window are still open. Chiefs bid for Bafana stars. Kaizer Chiefs has set targets on 2 Bafana players ahead of the next PSL transfer window. As reported by DStv Times, the Soweto Giants are interested in Portugal-based midfielders Pepelos Tole and Polokwane City attacker Oswin Apolis. The last one is City's mayor who attracts interest in Greece and USA. Cape Town City's standout forward Kanyiso Mayo is attracting interest from clubs in Greece and the major soccer league in the United States, according to reports by Soccer crew. The talented player, who is also a target for Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs, currently leads the scoring charts in the Premier Soccer League with 8 goals to his credit. Previously, the chairman of the Citizens, John Committees, disclosed that he will only consider selling the player for a staggering 37 million rands. Well, that was it from today's episode. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video for more. Have a good day ahead. Bye.